people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favorite Woman Colored at Kimberly. I hope you guys are all doing well, and today on my channel we are going to be doing a deck decoration and styling video. And I just went ahead to pick up some things from Ikea. Ikea is amazing when you're looking for really affordable items, and for this project that I'm doing for a deck, I just wanted to keep it nice and simple, and also wanted to keep it on a budget. I didn't want to spend too much money, you know, just quick styling to make the deck look cute. Since the sun is now out, you know, we're going to be doing a lot of deck and patio right now. The sun is coming out, the weather is getting so much better, so I just wanted to make the deck look a bit cute, a bit more presentable, so that when we're staying outdoors on the deck we feel comfortable and we're enjoying the space that we're staying in. So before we go ahead right into the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell button down below so you're able to know when I put out new videos. And yes, let's do this. Here are the items that I picked up from Ikea, so I'm just going to quickly go over each and every one of them with you. So we'll start with the string lights. So I picked up the string lights, and with the measurements that I did for the deck, I think this will be enough. I am hoping it will be enough. If not, I may have to pick up some more. I went ahead to also pick up some candles, and these are the candles that you do need some batteries for. I also picked up some batteries, and I'll be putting these candles into this beautiful white lantern. And for the white lantern, I went ahead to pick up two sizes. This is the smaller size, and the bigger size is just right over here, and I will have to quickly build that. I don't think it's going to take any time at all. I also picked up this beige blanket. On the website it did say it was white, but to be honest, I think in person it's more of a beige cream. It's definitely not white. So I just picked this up for, you know, those nights that are a bit cold and you just want something on your body, and so it's not too thick or anything. I think it'll be really good for summer nights. And the last items that I picked up were these cushions. I picked up one in black. I also picked up a white color as well. So the theme for the deck is definitely like a black and white and gray kind of theme, and everything that I picked up from Ikea was definitely quite affordable. I don't think I spent up to $80 for all these items, so it was definitely in my budget and price range, because my budget was like $100, you know, just get a few items to make the deck look good, and I even spent below my budget. I do also plan on, you know, maybe in the future getting some plants out there, but for now we're just going to start off with these. This is what the deck is looking like right now, and I do have the chairs outside already. I'm just missing the cushions that go on the chairs, and right now they're in the garage, so I'm just going to go downstairs to get that. Then I'm also just going to do some cleaning as well before we go ahead to add the other items that I picked up from Ikea. for the string lights, I was originally just going to wrap it all around the deck, but I realized that doing that was going to take up a chunk of the string lights, and I decided instead to use some hooks as a way to get the string lights all around in a way that I will still have enough string lights once I am done. So I had some of this hook just lying around in the house. These are hooks I picked up years ago from Ikea, so I decided to just use that. Please, while you're doing this part, make sure to wear some protective gloves. I should have worn them. Again, I was just being impatient and trying to have good light to make sure that I finish up the video in a good time. So please make sure to wear some protective gloves. And this is the final and finished look of our deck. I love how it looks. It's so welcoming and inviting, and it's definitely a space that I want to stay and just lounge and have a good time, whether in the afternoon or in the nighttime, even in the morning. Why not if not, right? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just leave some comments down in the comment section. Let me know what you think and what you like, and I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my other videos. Have yourself an amazing and lovely day. Bye till next time.